You are welcome on Event Channel. Terrible hailstorm hit United Kingdom, England. England is facing hailstorms and heavy rain, accompanied by thunder, as a yellow weather warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the entire UK. Basingstoke was hit hard by hail, causing concern for car damage, while Somerset experienced intense rainfall. The thunderstorm warning covers southern England, East Anglia, and parts of the Midlands, along with a flood warning for England. George Dibley, a Basingstoke resident, described the hailstorm as astonishing, resembling someone knocking on their window. As we can see, the hail is quite big. It looks like it was the size of an egg or a baseball. Subscribe for more and daily videos. Goodbye.